Hi guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be telling about tomorrow's Nifty 50 support and resistance level, and also I'll be telling you the intraday stocks which you can observe for tomorrow. Okay, the two stocks which are having at support and resistance level I'll be telling you guys in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also to get to know about the tomorrow's, that is 31st March support and resistance level for Nifty, and the two stocks which I have picked for tomorrow's trading. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. Okay, you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. I do upload a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So do subscribe to my channel, and also in my channel you can see every day I do a live trading and upload. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let me talk about the support and resistance level for tomorrow. Okay, so if you guys can see here, so the resistance level is at almost 17,550 for Nifty 50. Okay, so here is the first resistance level. Okay, so almost 17,550, and the next resistance level is around 17,620 almost. Okay, so here is the next resistance level, and here what you can see is a support level in the bottom. Okay, so the first support is near 17,400, and then comes 17,375 as its next support. Okay, so this will be the support and resistance level for tomorrow's Nifty 50 market. Okay, and now let's talk about the two stocks which are selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So coming to the first stock which is in the support is HDFC Bank. Okay, so guys, if you can see here, so the HDFC Bank is taking a good support here on 1 day candle chart, and if you see in the 5 minutes intraday candle chart, so from the support level it has gone up. So from this level, if it's trying to go up and if it gets a good push here, you can see a good bull moment in this HDFC Bank. Okay, or if there is some resistance also in upper level, it can come down and then take a support in middle of the key support level and go up. And the stock which is at a resistance level is Tata Consumer stock. Okay, so you can just see in a 1 day candle chart here, so this was a resistance level around 766. So today you can see it has pushed that level and it has come back again. Okay, so it has pushed in the opening time. Okay, 766 has given a breakout, and then it couldn't sustain there, and again it came down, and it is now trading at 766. So if the stock can take a support here, it can go up, or there are chances this stock can come back to 750 levels. Okay, so if it is a resistance, okay, but if it's take a support at 765 right now, it can go up. But if the 765 becomes a resistance, then all chances are there that Tata Consumer stock can touch 750 levels. Okay, so depending on the tomorrow's market opening and depending on how the market will perform tomorrow, we can see to that whether it's a buy or sell for tomorrow. Okay, and the market today closed at 1% up, guys. Okay, so this is how the market performed today. Yes, it was a good moment today, and the market closed now 1% up with the positive side. So yes, this is the observation for tomorrow what I have, guys. So these are the two stocks which you can observe. So please note that I'm not telling you to trade on these stocks, or I'm only telling you which are in support support and which are in resistance, and this can change in any moment once the market opens. Okay, so once the market opens tomorrow, I'll do a live trade and I'll upload in my channel so you guys can observe it. And if you guys wish to learn all the techniques and all the strategies which are accurate, you can join my course. My course prices are very less and reasonably priced, so you guys can join us now to make consistent profit in intraday trading. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.